Good morning, everybody. It is about 6:30. A little early for me these days, but I've been promising my son, my oldest son, that we would go fishing for quite a while, and today's the day. So a little bit different video from the photography stuff. However, if you know me at all, we're going to take every opportunity to take some photographs. So I am taking my camera. Biggest goal is to try to have fun with my kid and catch some fish, maybe. But I'm bringing the camera. We'll do some stock photography, hopefully. I'll bring you along, just a little bit different video today, and we'll see what we can come up with photographically as we have a good time and have some fun. So, all right, here we go. Remember those old G4s? Still haven't got rid of them. You ready to catch some fish?
At your destination. The route guidance is now finished.
Alright, go ahead, Dad. Vlog away.
2-hour drive, made it to North Carolina. Timothy and I are now going to catch the big fish, or at least we're going to try. Okay guys, fish number 2. This is the biggest bluegill I've ever seen in my life. Not gigantic, but for me, this is a big fish. All right, dude.
Oh yeah.
Good day fishing. We're about to take off, head back to Spartanburg. I think Timothy and I have caught 15 fish, which for us is a very good day. Timothy had the biggest. I had the first. We caught largemouth bass and bluegill, sunfish, something like that. He's got his line out one last time, hoping for the last big one before we head home. One more, man. Let's get it.